You want to make money online? In this video, I will be giving you 3 ways to make money online worldwide. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. YouTube, it's your favorite influencer, Dollar Influencer here, bringing you yet another money making video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money online in 2021, and I will be giving you the 3 ways to make money online worldwide. If you want these ways to work out for you, make sure you have subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you never miss an upload. The first way to make money online is offering your services online. There are a few websites on the internet such as Upwork, Fiverr, user testing, etc. I chose this way because many creators in the money niche, whereby we as creators help y'all make money, tend to give their viewers apps that don't work, but I am going to actually give y'all the apps that are working. And I have tried out Fiverr and user testing, just not Upwork. But I have heard from one of my friends that they are actually not complaining with the money they are getting from Upwork. On Fiverr, you list your gig for anything, and then when people order your services, you can actually get paid. Fiverr actually takes 20% of the money that you make, which means if you listed your gig for $5 and somebody orders, you're actually going to get only $4 of that $5. I'm trying to make this video fast for you because I don't want you to go and be watching a 10-minute video or 20-minute video on how to make money online. So without wasting any time, let's get into the second way to make money online. The second way to make money online is to sell products online. There are a couple ways to make online selling products online, such as dropshipping, Etsy, print on demand, and selling digital products. You have the option to choose whether you are going to sell digital products or physical products. The mode of selling products online which I love is dropshipping. I dropship with Shopify and not eBay, by the way. One thing I love about Shopify is how easy it makes dropshipping, such as the tons of apps which it offers you and the online store templates which they give you, which are completely free. Tell me if you want me to make a Shopify tutorial in the description down below, and I will surely deliver. If you want these ways to work out for you, make sure you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you never miss an upload. The last way to make money online for this video is building an audience on YouTube or Instagram. Believe it or not, but when you do this, you can actually make a lot of money. When you build an audience on YouTube, you can actually start making money from Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. There are other ways of making money on YouTube, but those are the 3 main ways to make money on YouTube. On Instagram, once you have built a following, people and businesses will actually start reaching out to you for sponsored posts, stories, and shoutouts. Dropshippers like myself actually reach out to Instagram influencers like yourself for sponsored posts, stories, and shoutouts. There are other ways to make money on Instagram, but those are the main ways to make money on Instagram. It's been your favorite influencer, Dollar Influencer, bringing you the latest tips and tricks to make money online. Make sure you have subscribed and turn your post notifications so that when I upload, you actually never miss an upload. It's been your boy here, Dollar Influencer, signing out. Peace.